Onye Kim, Obi mu. Uto di na woke. Ipo bugom this man. Mani mano one way you and me get married.
Asa, I've met this lady for love. Asa, baby, oh.
Baby, I'm coming. Let me check who is at the door, okay?
Okay.
Just the last one of the day.
Yeah.
Who are you?
Ah, baby. How are you?
You're welcome.
I know you must be surprised to see me.
Exactly.
Yeah, Kimi. Oh, wow, your mom. Hey, go, you go. Oh, wow, yeah. See how you're sweet. Hey, Kimi. I missed you.
Welcome. You didn't tell me you are coming.
Hey, I wanted to tell you a surprise. Let's go inside.
It's a surprise indeed.
Okay, Papa. What guy my name is?
Wait, you don't mean that. I am
paying for this house and I'm supposed to come inside. I will not tell you when I'm calling.
Nah, you got one month. I'm going to go listen. My aim can't see a
single thing. I knew you were going. So what is inside you're hiding from me? Look at you.
Hit the inside.
Baby, what is it? Can you look at it? Who is this? So you're cheating on me. I will be paying for rent for you. You'll be cheating on me with another man.
Yes, I'm cheating on you, right? You have your home. Don't you have your home?
Okay, because I have my home and I'm paying your bills, you're cheating on me.
Well, you are paying my bills and you are eating the things I can't have.
You're cheating on me with this man. This man cannot even pay your bills. You're cheating on me. You're not working. Don't insult me. On the mother, you want to broke up. Open up. You were saying, I
know you are going to pay for my house rent, but you have your home.
Let's go.
I should settle that as well.
I say, boy, look at the girl I'm paying for rent. I'm paying her rent. I'm paying her rent. Oh, boy, we don't have come.